In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins in Excel. Let's dive into this handy skill that can make your printed spreadsheets look exactly the way you want them. Margins in Excel, much like in a Word document, determine how close your spreadsheet's content will print to the edges of the paper. Adjusting them can help you either save paper by making margins narrow, bringing content closer to the edge, or ensure more white space by setting them wide for readability or aesthetics. Now, you might think you're ready to make these changes right away from the Page Layout tab, but here's a little tip. You want to avoid doing this while you're still in the normal view. Why, you ask? Well, in normal view, margin adjustments aren't clearly visible, so even if you tweak them, you might not see any difference. So to actually see those changes in action, you'll first need to switch gears and move to the Page Layout view. You can do this by going to the View tab and selecting Page Layout. Make sure the ruler option is enabled here. It will show you the white space representing the margins around your worksheet, helping you visualize exactly what you're working with. With that setup out of the way, head back over to the Page Layout tab and locate the Margins drop-down menu. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find several preset margin options to choose from. For instance, selecting narrow margins will shrink the white space along the sides, allowing more data to fit on the page, which could be ideal if you're trying to print a dense spreadsheet while using less paper. Conversely, opting for wide margins increases that space, which can be useful for adding notes or simply creating a cleaner-looking document. What's great is you'll see these changes reflected on your sheet right away, giving you immediate feedback on how the document will appear when printed. But what if these preset options still don't quite meet your specific needs? Not to worry, you can effortlessly customize the margins yourself. Just click on Custom Margins at the bottom of the Margins dropdown. This option gives you the flexibility to manually adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins to your taste. By doing this, you gain full control over how much space appears around your content when printed, letting you tailor it to the unique demands of your current project. So there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust margins in Excel, optimizing how your documents print and display on paper. Whether you're looking to conserve space or enhance readability, mastering this simple feature can greatly enhance the appearance and functionality of your printed spreadsheets.